Princess Eugenie has offered fans a rare insight into her family life as she posted a snap of herself carrying her two sons during a day out at the beach. August, the eldest son of Princess Eugenie and Jack Brooksbank, was born on the 9th of February 2021 and is 13th in line to the throne. Meanwhile, her second son, Ernest, was born on the 30th of May 2023. The Duke of York's daughter often delights royal fans by posting relatable images of her family on Instagram, but has rarely shared photographs with her two boys together publicly. In the photograph, which is thought to have been taken by Jack, Eugenie can be seen carrying a son on each hip as she walks down to the beach. Dressed in a long white and blue kafta, the princess swept her hair up into a bun as she strode along a boardwalk. Whilst it's not known where the photograph was taken, Princess Eugenie and Jack currently split their time between Britain and Portugal. The family have been dividing their time between the two countries after Brooksbank began working for property entrepreneur Mike Meldman at the Costa Terra Golf and Ocean Club in 2022. Sources recently told how Eugenie is determined to relocate with their family permanently back to Britain, with insiders revealing to The Express, Eugenie is adamant that she wants to head back to the UK on a more permanent basis and use the villa in Portugal as a holiday home. The insider continued, the family, are currently spending a lot of time in Portugal, and as the boys get a bit older, they are looking for kindergartens near to their London home and eventually schools in the UK. Princess Eugenie is the youngest daughter of Prince Andrew and Sarah, Duchess of York, and granddaughter of Queen Elizabeth II and the late Duke of Edinburgh. She and Jack met at the royal-approved Swiss ski resort of Verbier in 2010 when she was 20 and he was 24. The princess later revealed that sparks flew from the beginning of their relationship. However, almost a decade passed before Jack Brooksbank proposed. News of the engagement was shared by the royal family in January 2018. At the time, the couple were enjoying a flourishing friendship with Prince Harry and his then-fiancée, Meghan Markle. The couples remain close, and Princess Eugenie featured briefly in the Sussexes' Netflix series, Harry-Meghan. Eugenie and Jack will celebrate 6 years of marriage this October. They exchanged vows in a moving ceremony at St. George Chapel in Windsor, just a few months after the Duke and Duchess of Sussex married at the same venue. The princess wore a custom-made Peter Pilato dress, which featured backless detail to show off her scoliosis scars. She also wore the Greville Emerald Kokoshnik tiara, which she borrowed from her late grandmother, Queen Elizabeth II.